Welcome to Ronin's Corner, and today we're going to check a car's oil level. Typically you check your oil at standard operating temperature, which is when the engine temperature on the gauge is somewhere in the middle, above the C and below the H, which happens after basically any normal drive. Most cars have a hood release somewhere below the steering wheel. In my Lexus, it's located by the left knee. Pull the release and you hear a click from the hood. That's the first release. We need to now open the hood. There's another lever, typically in the middle of the hood, that you have to pull. My hood needs a pump to keep it up, and some need a bar. The reason you have to pull this lever at the hood is for safety, so the hood doesn't block your vision if you pull a hood release by accident. Well, I'm checking the engine. It's there. We need to find the dipstick. Most dipsticks use a yellow handle, so it's easy to find. Car off. Pull the dipstick and wipe with cloth to remove the residual oil. Put the dipstick back in the hole, pull it back out, and now check the oil. The oil will have a continuous speed to mark its level. Dipsticks will have a minimum and a maximum fill line, or on mine, a dot. The difference between low and high is typically half a quart. This is also a good time to check the health of your engine. If the oil is dark, it's time for a changing. If it's milky, there's coolant being leaked in and needs servicing. This looks good. Wipe it and put it back in. Good to go. This is where you would add oil if your dipstick read low. On this particular car, it shows what kind of oil I need if I need to fill it. If your oil fill does not show what kind of oil you need, please check your owner's manual. Hopefully this was helpful. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share these videos with any friends that you have. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment. Tell me what else you would like to see.